If you're looking to add those little extra carbon fiber details on the C8 Corvette, especially on the rear bumper, then this video is for you. So thanks for tuning in, guys. So today we're going to be looking at the carbon fiber rear grille trim pieces that you can get for your C8 Corvette. Again, this goes along really nicely with the rear diffuser that you can get for your C8 Corvette, also in carbon fiber. So let's look at what you get in the box. So, opening up the box. All right, so what do we got here? Ooh, so like I said, these are the rear trim grille pieces that you can get in carbon fiber. Honestly, this is a hefty piece. I mean, this is, I thought this was gonna be kind of thin and flimsy. This is actually pretty freaking rigid, and the carbon fiber itself looks really good. I mean, like, I was kind of honestly curious about how the carbon fiber was going to be in regards to this particular piece, because especially with all these like little grill parts, trying to get carbon fiber to lay down properly is gonna be a challenge. So real huge props to Extreme Online Store who makes this product, that this is really nice. Extreme Online Store, or EOS for short, they have some of the most competitive prices you can get on the market. And for this in particular, these replacement pieces are $3.99 on their store at retail. So, which is a really good price, especially for how complex this is in regards to all the different grille parts and having them have to lay this properly down to get a nice, good finish. And I mean, this is a good finish. I mean, the carbon fiber all around, it looks really good. Kind of deal. And it even has on the end where there's a rear bumper sensor, it has that part of it also complete as well. So all you have to do is just insert this in and put in the sensor in the spot that's supposed to, and you're good to go. So like I said, it does take a little bit of work to try to get that rear bumper off, but we're gonna go through that whole process. We're gonna show you what that looks like. This is one of those staple points that you can put on your car, on your C8, and it's gonna make it stand out really well. And I mean, this is really good in regards to quality. Now, one of the things, like I said in all my different videos, especially when I'm talking about carbon fiber, you definitely want to ceramic coat these just to make sure that you get that extra layer of protection, especially from the elements. This is one of those things that depending on the complexity of the part, how evenly and thick the actual clear coat is, you want that extra layer of protection to help prevent yellowing on these carbon fiber pieces. So if you're wondering what kind of ceramic coat you should use, I use Adam's graphene ceramic coating. It's my coating of choice. I'm not sponsored by them. This is just what I use. So yeah, like I said, this is a really good piece. It's like really thick too. Like, it's not something frail or whatnot, like a toothpick that you're gonna just bend in half. Like, I'm actually really surprised at how thick this is. And I'll also have links in the description below, so you can check out if you want to buy a pair for your C8. All right, so we have one piece here. So let's look at the other piece real quick. There we go. So alrighty, so looking at the other piece, yeah, another good piece in regards to the finish and such. The finish quality is very good on these. I mean, yeah, I am very happy with this product and the final finish on it, and just the feel of it and everything. It's super thick. I keep on saying thick like it's swole, like it went and worked out or something. But in regards to like what you're getting, I mean, this is, when I'm expecting to pay like $400 or more on a part, I want it to feel like I got my money's worth, and this feels like you get your money's worth with this. It's a really good product. So yeah, another really good piece. And so, okay, so I'm gonna stop talking about these and get these on the C8 Corvette so we can check it out on the car, which is really what this is all about. So let's get into that. Alrighty guys, so we finished installing the carbon fiber grill inserts that you can get from EOS, and they look pretty freaking good. Now, full on disclosure, they were a little bit of a challenge to get on. One of the pieces fit on exactly right, just as a replacement of the standard OEM one that comes on in carbon flash on the C8, but the other side was a little bit of a challenge. I had to go in and slot the holes a little bit larger just to get it to line up and fit. So that's something you're gonna have to keep in mind if you're thinking about doing this install on your own. Originally, I tried to install this when I did the rear diffuser and had to kind of backtrack a little bit and confirm with EOS on trying to make that adjustment to make this fit properly. So once they said yes, it's good, just go ahead and make the adjustment. We're gonna make sure to update this on our end. So what that basically means is that this is probably a temporary issue that in the future, this part should fit a little bit better and a lot easier if you're trying to do it from home. But I do think that this part is definitely worth its price. It's a difficult piece to do with, especially with all those little fins in there, to make it a solid carbon fiber piece. And that's what this is. It's a full carbon fiber replacement piece. And I mean, with that piece, it really completes the whole entire carbon fiber look on the rear end. So I definitely would recommend it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos and we'll see you next time.